Hello SCC member! In this video I will show you how to easily modify your profile. First, log into your SCC account and click on the icon at the top right corner. Then select View Profile. To edit your profile, click on Edit, the red button at the top right corner. To update your profile picture, click on the picture that you currently have and select a new one from your laptop. In the About You section, write the company you work for and add something brief about yourself. In my case, I wrote Future Insights Network, passionate about people and supply chain enthusiast. To add your role, choose from the drop-down list. In my case, I will select Head of Community. You can also add personal links to your Facebook and LinkedIn accounts and also to an external website. It's now time to fill in your introduction. You should write here something that will help the other SCC members to get to know you better. You can now save the changes and click on Close. You now have to go on Topics. You can here choose the topics you want to follow, for example, artificial intelligence, blockchain, and continuous improvement. These topics will be automatically added to your profile. Thank you for watching the video. I hope it was helpful.